Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to get connectivity and account links checked first. Start by confirming cellular data or Wi-Fi is active, then open Settings right arrow messages and ensure Send as SMS and iMessage are on. Once done, verify your phone number and Apple ID appear under Send and Receive. That links green versus blue behavior. Restart the phone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force network renegotiation. These quick steps often restore iMessage registration and stop texts from going green. Next, dig into registration and carrier layers because green bubbles mean fallback SMS. Open Settings right arrow messages and watch for activation status. If it's stuck, sign out of your Apple ID in Messages and sign back in to force reactivation. Make sure carrier settings and iOS are up to date because old profiles block iMessage registration. If activation still fails, reset network settings. This clears Wi-Fi and cellular configs and often resolves stubborn handshake issues between your iPhone and Apple servers. Finish by confirming the recipient is reachable via iMessage. Their bubble must be blue and their contact entry should list an Apple ID or iPhone number for iMessage. Send a test iMessage versus SMS by disabling iMessage briefly to force SMS, then re-enable it to observe behavior. If only one contact turns green, edit their contact or remove duplicates. If many remain green after everything, contact your carrier to check SMS routing or Apple support for account activation problems. This is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.